Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your HP laptop, which got a Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta go to your search bar right here and just open up Microsoft Store. Okay, right here. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and pin the Microsoft Store right here under your taskbar. Just right click on it and click on Pin to Taskbar. Okay, as you can see here, it is now pinned. You can move it right here, wherever you want. Just hold it and drag. Okay, now once it's pinned, you can click on it and wait for the store to open. And if it's your first time opening up Microsoft Store, well, it will ask you to log in. Just go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so once logged in, as you can see here, we can go ahead over to the dashboard or home section. And we have these trending apps and trending games. Okay, there are some games that are paid and there are games that are free. Okay, let's say we'll go ahead over to applications right here. When we scroll down, as you can see, we have PDF or PDF editor and PDF reader. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and get it. I'm going to click on get, or you have Facebook here as well, Canva, Zoom, Discord, and some other options. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wait for the installation process right here to finish. And once that's done, I'm going to open it up and let you see that it works. While it's downloading, I'm going to go ahead and explain something to you. Some other apps, okay, can be downloaded using your browser. Okay, let's say you would like to download CapCut. Just go to your search bar and type in CapCut, like so, and just download the application from here. Okay, this one. So going back, as you can see here, the PDF reader is now installed. So I'm just going to click on open, wait for it, and here you have it. Okay, that is basically how you download apps on your HP laptop. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.